everyone. Today we're going to start reviewing multiplication and division to get ready for our test on Thursday. So we saw this problem on Thursday during our math talks, and we're going to answer 3 questions about it. Now, one of the things that students often mess up on, I think because they're in a hurry, is figuring out whether to multiply or divide. And I know that seems basic, but it's a mistake I see all the time. So we're going to check it out and see what we can review. So how do I decide if it's multiplication or division? Easy. Multiplication means finding the total of lots of equal groups. So how many groups times how many in each group gets me a total answer. For example, 3 groups of 6 equals 18 in total. So my answer is the total. Here's one more multiplication example. 5 pairs of socks equals 10 socks in total. So again, it's 5 equal groups, and my answer is the total. Now division is the opposite. I start out with my total number, and I divide that big total number, that big group, into smaller equal groups. So I divide the total into groups to get my answer. Now the thing with division you have to keep in mind is that you can either take that total and divide it by how many groups and find out the number in each group, or you can take the total, divide it by the number of things in each group, and find out how many groups. Those are both division. Let's look at some examples. 4 fish divided into 2 tanks equals 2 fish per tank. So I started with the total number of fish and then divided it into groups. Division. Here, again, I start with a total of 12. And then I divide it into 3 groups. Into 3 things in a group, and I get 4 groups. So basically, let's go back a little bit. Multiplication, we take the groups to find the total. Division, we start with the total and find the groups. So today, you actually do not need to solve the problem. Don't solve the problem. I mean, you can, but you don't need to. All you need to write is if it's multiplication or division and why. So you can say, I think it's multiplication because or I think it's division because and that's it. Ya está. Solamente hay que decir si el problema se trata de multiplicar o dividir. No lo tienes que resolver. Y tengo una pista. I have a tip. If you don't know a word, Google Translate to find out what it means. So, por ejemplo, si estoy mirando el problema, estoy haciendo el problema y veo la palabra hotel room. No sé qué es esto. Entonces aquí voy a escribir Translate y me lleva aquí de esta página. Yo escribo hotel room porque esta palabra no lo conozco. Y yo lo traduzco al español, Spanish. Y me dice qué significa. La verdad, no está perfecto. A veces se dice cosas de una manera un poco inusual, pero funciona, ¿verdad? Te ayuda a entender lo que está pasando. No lo usaría para algo muy importante, por ejemplo, para escribir un email a alguien. Pero para ver una palabra funciona bien. So again, don't solve the problem. Just write if it's multiplication or division and say why.